Mercedes-Benz E300 Alpine PXE-C80-88 Channel Audio Processor Amplifier, even made in Germany, of MD100 of MD100 of MD100 MD192 Sound System Upgrade, 音响系统升级 at Nico VIP。If you like my video, please remember to subscribe, press like and share. Thank you. 如果喜欢我的影片的话，请记得订阅、按赞、分享，谢谢。